Good morning. Happy April 28th, 2021. We're looking at something in this here universe of ours. What is it? Dust. There definitely is dust there, but probably that was only a small fraction of the total mass that's contained. Probably more of the mass is in these little points of light, the stars. Anybody know what star that is? I'll give you a clue. It's not one of the brightest stars in the sky. It's the 50th brightest star in the sky, in fact. There's 49 stars brighter than it, and yet it's a really important star, even though it's not one of the brightest. Why is it important? Because if you were standing on the North Pole and you look directly over your head, that's the star you would see. Polaris. North Star, Polaris, and surrounding dust. Why is Polaris called the North Star? First, Polaris is the nearest bright star toward the north spin axis of the Earth. Therefore, as the Earth turns, stars appear to revolve around Polaris, but Polaris itself always stays in the same northerly direction, making it the North Star. Since no bright star is near the south spin axis of the Earth, there is currently no South Star. Thousands of years ago, Earth's spin axis pointed in a slightly different direction so that Vega was the North Star. Although Polaris is not the brightest star in the sky, it is easily located because it is nearly aligned with two stars in the cup of the Big Dipper. Polaris is near the center of the 8-degree wide featured image, an image that has been digitally manipulated to suppress surrounding dim stars, but accentuate the faint gas and dust of the intergalactic flux nebula. The surface of Cepheid Polaris slowly pulsates, causing the star to change its brightness by a few percent over the course of a few days. And remember that Cepheid variable stars are one of the rungs on the distance ladder. We understand the way that they pulsate sort of related to their intrinsic brightness. And so we can use those to work out how far away things are. Lots of dust out there in space. And so we'll see in our lesson this week about star system formation, how accretion disks of dust end up becoming planets, like the one that we're on now. I don't think the Big Dipper is